Hello and welcome back to AmNowTech once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Microsoft Edge. Now, if you have problems with Microsoft Edge, trying to install and download files, or being slow, or doing all sorts of things, these are Microsoft Edge behaviors. If it is slow, can't download files, whenever you are using it, it's lagging. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset it. Now, resetting it is just to clear everything back to and make it as it was installed from the beginning. So we are going to clear all files which are attached to it, extensions and all settings that we have done. We are going to clear all that out, leaving it to stand alone as it was before. Without further delay, let's get to see how to install this. Now, there are two ways I'm going to show you how to reset this. First is just through the browser itself. Once you open your browser like this, just go to your three dots here. So let's maximize it. Just go to the three dots here, and with the three dots here, come to the settings, and under the settings on your left side, check here, and then we have something like this, reset settings. So click on that and proceed to the next. So you click on this arrow to proceed. Yes, this will reset your startup page, your new page. So it's going to clear everything, tabs and all that, password, which extensions and all that. So we click on reset. Right, settings was reset. So that is it. So this is our first stage, which is done. Now let's close this, and next thing is to go to this PC. Just click on the file explorer here. So we have to clear all the files which are saved within our PC. So go into this PC and go into your hard drive, click on that to open, and go to users, our account, and then now once you are in here, you see this view, go to the view to show hidden files. So we have this hidden items, so check that. Right, so now once we checked it, we have app data here. Open that and go to local, local, then we enter Microsoft. Now we have here Edge. It's Edge files that we want to delete, so just right click on it and delete that. Right, so now Edge has been resetted successfully. So once that is done, just you would have pressed shift delete to clear it direct, but because I have selected delete, so let's go to the recycle bin and clean that. So empty recycle bin. Yep, and voila, now we are done with the resetting. Now you can start open the Microsoft Edge again and start to browse and see the difference. Hopefully there is going to be difference. And now, as you can see, because we have cleared everything, you can see that we have, as we are about to open it, it is welcoming us, right? So that is just how easy and simple it is, guys. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next video. Peace out.